Tired of frustrating AI coding bugs and slop code? Discover the game changer that transformed my development process. Like many founders, I was deep in the trenches, racing against deadlines, only to be constantly derailed by coding bugs. I turned to AI coding tools hoping for a superpower, but often, the code suggestions felt more like a stumbling block. It was frustrating. The AI was generating what felt like slop, unoptimized, buggy, and completely useless code that required more debugging than writing it myself. The pressure to deliver was mounting, but I was stuck in an endless loop of debugging, wasting precious time. Then, everything changed when I stumbled upon a resource that promised to solve my AI coding prompt problems once and for all. I found Prodmoh.com, a site dedicated to providing high-quality, optimized AI coding prompts. It felt like a beacon in the darkness. Prodmoh promised effective AI coding prompts designed to elicit clean, functional code right out of the box. I was skeptical, but desperate. It was time to put Prodmoh to the test with my AI coding tool, Cursor. I quickly found the perfect prompt on Prodmoh.com and copied it, ready for the next step. I pasted the optimized prompt directly into my Cursor AI coding interface, the moment of truth. The difference was immediate and astonishing. The AI understood exactly what I needed. The AI generated clean, functional code instantly. No extra debugging, no slop, just perfection. My debugging issues vanished instantly. It was the solution I had been searching for to streamline my workflow. If you use AI for coding and are tired of bugs, Prodmoh.com is a necessary tool. Save time, reduce frustration, and build better software today.